Hi there, welcome to yet another video tutorial, and in this tutorial you will learn how to convert uppercase letters into lowercase letters in Excel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on our future videos. Let us begin. We have cells here that have capital letters and we want to convert them into small letters. What we do, we come to the cell where we want to have our lowercase letters or small letters and type in equal sign and type the word lower. Select lower. It will open up a bracket and you look for the cell that has capital letters that you want to convert. And in our case, we have G4. You select it and close the bracket and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you can see that the initially capital letters are now small letters here. So what happens to our other cells that have capital letters here? We can easily drag and drop to have small letters also here. If you observe, you can see that we have call hold in our cell here, and then we also have a formula in our formula bar here. What if we want to have only the information that is in that cell, the words that are in that cell, the letters that are in that cell to only appear in the formula bar here? What if that's what we want? So what we do for that case, you come and highlight the cells that you have just converted, and then you copy, that is Ctrl C. You come to the Home tab here, and then you click on Paste, and you want to ensure that you paste only values. So once you paste only values, you can see that now when you come and click on Call Hold, it will also appear as Call Hold in the formula bar. The same applies to all these other cells here. If this has been informative to you, let me know by commenting, hit that thumbs up button and share. Thank you.